everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to easily add a picture inside text using Canva. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Canva project, then go to apps and search for font frame, this one, and then just type in your text. Maybe I will type like this, then add your image. And then you can also adjust the image zoom, adjust the positions as you like, maybe like this. You can also choose the font and adjust the spacing, or maybe adjust the outline. It's up to you to customize your font. And when you're happy with your font, just add to the side like this. And as you can see, adding a picture to your text is super simple. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.